Let's start this way, right? Hi, Mr. Omar. How you doing, sir? The guys that have covered all the number plates, so I'm free to do that. What day is today? Today, it's Wednesday, February 25th, 2026. You see this G500 on the last lift down over there. Hi, Mr. Joe. How you doing, sir? It's still hot, all right? But you can start opening a couple of things here and there. What are we gonna do here on this car? Let's put the kilometers. Is it G500 this one, Omar?
Yeah.
All right. Do you remember the model year? Production date? Kilometers. 198. How many chance you had that? Okay. 198,000 kilometers. It's not a checkup. We have checked up this car. Just only the owner, he was here when we was checking up the car. That's why I don't have a video. I didn't make a video, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so where was I? Now, what jobs we're gonna perform here? Radiator, engine mounts, crankshaft rear seal. What are the things I'm forgetting? And oil separators.
Yeah.
And oil separators. At the same time, we might clean also the intercoolers, because if you see how it was the turbos and the filters, it was not being washed. We clean them. All right. So when comes the time, we're gonna clean all the area because it's full of sand everywhere. Obviously, off-road. So we're gonna clean everything. Then we're gonna install everything back again. You're gonna see on the video. It's nice and clean car for the mileage. And just now start the compressor. Yeah, lovely, amazing stuff. Usually I cannot turn the phone, you know, for the rest of the garage. Now I can. So we have. Where are the new parts? You haven't collected yet all.
No, not yet.
Why, Mr. Omar?
Tomorrow.
So why I'm making today video, right?
So
Screw it, no worries. I'm gonna make the first part. I'm gonna upload it as is, so don't make it bigger. So the next video, 1 second to stop the air compressor. Okay, so we found also the title, right? Small maintenance. That's how it's gonna be the title. G500 small maintenance, right? Why not? We just have to take out the engine to strip it off. Yeah. So what I was saying that the next video it will gonna be with the engine out on an engine stand. The guys will gonna start preparing the engine bay. We're gonna have the new parts in order on the table to see the new parts and how it looks like the old parts. Yeah, that's gonna be the next. It's not gonna happen tomorrow. Most probably it's gonna happen the day after tomorrow. I don't even. What day is today? We said Wednesday. Ah, all right. Yeah. Okay. In the middle of the week.
we're seeing the parts also today.
4?
This one.
Yeah, but this different video, man. Ah, you're gonna to fill up a little bit the video, right? Because 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay. All right. Give me a break. A portal. Actually, here it's been cleaned. We haven't touched. Why I'm putting it on this video? We haven't touched this side. If he wants the owner to come to see what's the problem with the bearing, but that's different. The video is for this one. Okay, yeah. Let's shoot the garage here. You know, usually we cannot do that. And that's the best car, the company car. This is the best car. You think the E55, right? Nope, this one. Okay, so first part, small part. Prepare yourself because the next part will gonna be huge. I'm gonna show you, like I said, the engine mounts, the new, the old ones, the crankshaft rear seal, and so on, step by step. And I might put also on the video how it looks like the intercoolers before and after. Yeah, to see what we're gonna have inside. It's gonna be interesting. Also, we're gonna get the side view camera, and we need also to clean the diverted valves. It's gonna be full of sand inside. Yeah, you're gonna see when it comes the time. All right, anything else? So, once again, engine mounts, oil separators,
Main seal.
crankshaft rear seal, and radiator.
And radiator.
All right, okay, fine. That's it. Thank you. Big lights, eh? Huge lights. Oh boy. I have checked the car, it's nice and clean. It's not, I mean, it's very well maintained. Just only... There was a fault also for the crankcase ventilation. And we check the two solenoid valves that has behind the headlight for the charcoal canister. It's corresponding to this. We checked that time. You wasn't here when I checked it?
No,
I did it in front of the owner.
yeah, I know.
The check valve that has here, there is one check valve here, and there is another one check valve from this side. And the check valves are okay, the solenoids are okay, so the only thing that's remaining is the oil separators. We're gonna put the updated part number, the same thing also for the crankshaft rear seal. But like I said, you're gonna come the time you're gonna see all these things. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Over and out. It's coming to us.
Oh,
We don't have a space. You see what's happening, right?
yeah, even
And there
outside we don't have
are another 5 cars outside.
yeah, there is coming out some.
Yeah, be careful with the appointments. What you... Okay, we're gonna remove the 500 from there. We're gonna release it today, but be careful because we don't have a space. Omar. Yeah, all right. And me, I'm busy now on the lathe. All right. That's it. I don't have a video for this car. Yep. I don't have a video for many cars, but that's a different story. Thank you.